atmosphere that we have. Okay, let's go over some numbers here this morning. And after we do that, I'll say good morning to everybody, get everybody focused in on the day, and make sure that we're pointing in the right direction. Well, what do we do here in the trading room? Every day, trading live here in the TradeNet trading room. Transparent trading, posting our trades, our profit and loss, our results. We go live in about 12 minutes here this morning, so we'll get through the information that we need to, get focused, get you guys focused on the day here, and make sure that you know exactly where we're going here this morning as we get into the start of the day. Okay, yesterday, Dow down 89 points, S&P down 1, NASDAQ up 30 points yesterday. So NASDAQ had a good day. As we turn and we look at Europe this morning, German DAX down 8 points this morning. FTSE in the UK up 7, and the CAC 40 up 4.22. That's on the heels of an Asian market where we saw the Nikkei in Japan up 48 points, Shanghai and China up 10, and the Hong Kong Hang Seng was the only market that was down in Asia, down 137.12, down 0.49%. 4 markets up, 2 markets down, and then you get to our pre-market futures, really flat this morning. Dow futures only down 5 points this morning. S&P futures down a half of 1 point this morning, and then the NASDAQ futures down 7 points this morning. So really just a flat open to the market. Got to be careful today as we open up the market, as things will open up flat, looking for direction. We don't have a clear direction, a bias to the downside, but nothing clear here this morning. Oil down about 30 cents this morning as we open up the day, and gold down over $6, $6.60, down under 1,200, down 0.55 or a half, 0.55%, a half of 1% down on gold. Well, what's happening out there? Well, got a couple of things. Jobless claims came in better than expected, 210,000 versus 215. Earnings out there, Bubba came in, net profit 1.26 billion versus 1.18. 2 positive things for the market, but oil down, gold down, and some pressure now on the market here. Just starting off small red this morning, probably because China and U.S. still fighting with the tariffs. More tariffs beginning today from Chinese goods, $16 billion worth of tariffs being levied on goods there from China. Okay, today also, mentoring today. You've got a full dose of Amir Barak. Amir will have you guys at 11:30 today. Also, today he'll be leading the mentoring session. That starts at 3:15 today. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be a great session. Amir has sent me the slides and all, so it looks like a great time today at 3:15. Forex course. Listen up, traders. If you want to be part of the Forex course coming up, that course is set to start on Monday. That's right, this Monday at 3:30. Michael will be teaching his Forex course. It happens once every 60 days, so make sure you get involved with this Forex class here coming up on Monday. And again, that's at 3:30 Monday afternoon, Forex training with Michael. Okay, let's say good morning to everybody here in the room. Welcome everybody here, and make sure you guys know exactly what's going on here in the room, and get you focused on today's trading. Okay, good morning, Don. Good morning, Davidas. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning to all of you. Good to see you here this morning. Don, good morning. Raphael, good morning to you. Neil, good morning. Bob, good morning to you. Mariano, good morning. Hitesh, good morning to you. Young Sheng, good morning. Yours, good morning to you. Farah, good morning. Riken, good morning to you. Sean, good morning. Good morning, Money. Patty G, good morning to you. Andrew, good morning. Trevor, good morning to you. Brandon, good morning. Hey, Jim, good morning to you. Stephen F., good morning to you. Back to Orlando. Hopefully you're doing well this morning. Good morning, Taco. Alpard, good morning to you. Good morning, John. Akinola, good morning to you. Good morning, Mully. Jim, good morning. Too close to the mic. Okay, we'll test it out here again. Yeah, green morning, Eric. Good morning, John. Jerry, good morning to you. Salam, good morning. Okay, good morning, Shad. Good morning to you, Almira. Good morning to you. Buenos dias, Jorge. Good morning to you, my friend. Mamet, good morning. Ronnie, good morning to you. Kevin, good morning. Okay, Marcel, good morning to you. Good morning, Ludmilla. Yes, final day. Thank you, Clifton. Good morning, Sharif. Perfect. Good job, Devin. Amir, good morning. Abraham, good morning to you. Jan, good morning. David, good morning to you. Out to Denver. Awesome. Love Denver. Ski out there a bunch. So, Todd, good morning to you. Namaskar, AJ, good morning to you, my friend. Jeanette, good morning. Morning, Sandra. Joe, good morning to you. Lewis, good morning. Good morning, Asaf. Kernal, good morning to you. Okay. Hey, Devin. Good morning, Brandon. Dwight, good morning to you. Anagi, good morning. Dominic, good morning to you. Daryl, good morning. Good morning, Joel. Good to see you here this morning. Devin, good morning. Jim H., good morning. Carlos, good morning. Farah, good morning to you. Dzień dobry, Zygmunt. Yes, let's do it this morning. Louis, good morning. Buenos dias. Back to Mexico, Ricardo. Rafi, good morning to you. Jamie, good morning. Edward, good morning to you. Back to Germany. Good morning to you, Edward AB. Back to Hawaii. Good to see you here. Hopefully the storm is not going to affect you, my friend. Abdul, good morning to you. Good morning, Anagi. Morning, Dill. Yes. Morning from Utah. Jose, back to you. Good to see you here this morning. Cornella, good morning. Welcome back. Welcome, Fabrizio. Sean, good morning. Jim H., good morning to you. Morning from Utah. Jose, good morning to you. Absolutely. Brett, good morning to you. I just skied Telluride last year. Loved the place. Had a great time out there. Let me know if you're, private message me if you're a full-time resident there. Love to come out and see you sometime. Okay, let's go over a few stocks here this morning. Let me add my my watch list here this morning. I'll give this to you guys as well. Some of the same stocks that Mayor's got this morning on his list, I have on mine. And we'll put all those down here, get them over to you this morning, and get you guys focused on where we need to be here this morning. Just get done typing these here. Okay, already got that. PLCE, Bubba, and WSM. Okay, there's my watch list here. I'll pull down the HRL trade. I like this trade a lot here this morning. Forgot to include that in what I was doing. That's one of the trades that I like this morning. Also, PLCE under 137.50 here this morning. This will be my first short of the day. See if this stock reacts to what the market is doing here. If we get direction here this morning, PLCE short under 137.50. That would be taking out yesterday's close. It's been down there before this morning, so we'll watch this in case it does it again. Okay, HRL under 36.50. That's another trade here. HRL short 36.50. We'll watch that stock as we open up the market here. And then Bubba, I like Bubba to the long side, 185 here. This will be a long on Bubba. This is BA long over 135. Again, traders, want to be careful this morning. Want to look for direction. We are just small red with the futures this morning, and I want to make sure that as we open up the day, we wait a little bit, make sure we get direction, and then kind of run from there. So we'll be watching that for direction as we start into the day. Honeywell looks fine. No volume here yet this morning on HON. I've got that watch, that stock above on my next screen. So Neil, good morning and welcome back. That's a stock that I am watching here this morning as we start in on the day. Yeah, LX, I'll be watching that trade as well. LX, not a big volume stock, so you just got to be careful there as we start into the day. Okay, who's with us this morning? Michael Orevi, my trading partner in the afternoon, is here. Clifton, our TradeNet support manager, is in the house this morning. Good morning to you, Clifton. Amir Barak, who you're going to hear from today at 11:30 and at 3:15 today for the mentoring session. We got a great mentoring session planned for you. Remember, each and every week, we've got something going on here at TradeNet with our training, whether it is mentoring session, whether it is Star Trader, Top Trader, private mentoring, Forex training. We've got it all right here, full service to you guys. Gabriel, our platform support person, is here. Also, the Deutsche Chat tab right next to the general chat tab here this morning. If you click on that, you're going to find Tomas and Gil Paz in there. Guten Morgen to both of you. Welcome. And they take care of our German translation of the room, also having their own picks, communicating with you in German throughout the day. Good to have you both here this morning. Always a pleasure to have you here. Absolutely, Gil. Appreciate that very much. And in the main room today, trading with us, we get started in 1 minute. Mr. Mayer will be joining us here this morning. He is in the afternoon of where he is at right now, so we'll welcome him and say good afternoon as he comes in. There he is right now. Looks like a sunny day. Doing fine. Hear you loud and clear this morning. Yep, go ahead.
It's too loud, really?
I think we fixed it. I think you're set now.
Okay.
10 seconds to go, traders. Let's have a great day today.
Okay, traders should be able to see my charts now. So market just really went sideways yesterday. We moved down, then moved up, and then just continued sideways. We're starting with a very small gap down right now. As you can probably see, S&P is down almost zero. Nasdaq's down almost 0.2. So that's a small gap down, quite meaningless. Now, LB here is an interesting candidate. LB is down 6.7%. But as you can see, it starts by moving lower, which is not good. We have to wait until it comes back up. CAG, I'm also watching. Baba's interesting for the long side. Baba's high is 185. Did you already post Baba, Scott?
Yes, I already posted Baba on the long side here, possibly 185.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, I'm looking at that too. So Baba we could go long Baba over 185, I guess.
Okay, traders. Watching PLCE.
Now HRL is down 5.5%. It's moving slightly higher. The lows is 36.25, but I don't see any volume. LB, I kind of missed it. Guys, LB's low is, okay, that becomes even more interesting. Let's short LB under 29.65.
I'll join you here on LB.
No, what went wrong? Something went wrong. I didn't short it.
I got it here.
I missed it. I missed it for some reason. I'm trying to short now again. Okay, excuse me, I have a problem.
Hey, traders, I am in this trade here. You know, I use that top of the candle as my stop loss here. LCE moving higher. HRL under 36.50. That is going to be a trade here. HRL on the short side. I've posted it in the pre-market here. HRL. Wow, look at PLCE. Wow. Okay, let's watch HRL this morning. Again, 36.50 on HRL. For the short, watching that, watching the LB trade. Okay, I am short HRL. Yep, I did get it. Yep, short HRL. Watching LB. I am short LB. Yeah, we'll We'll see if HRL comes down. It's got to take out 36.50 here. It flashed it. I got into the trade. Now just watching this LB trade.
Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm having some technical issues here. I hope it's going to be solved in the next few seconds. I did not join LB. I had some problem, but in case it comes down again under 60, I'll be glad to join it. If not, stop loss should be over 30.20. So I hope I can join you again. That is, if my trouble was solved, if my problem was solved. I hope it was, because I would love to join you on LB trade.
I'm already short this trade, so let's hope it comes down. Here we go. I want to see it break 29.50.
I still have some issues.
LB. Yeah, HRL, about 25 cents out of the money here, 30 cents out of the money on HRL. And I'll be out here at 37.20. I'm just holding on here for a moment on HRL. Comes LB. Traders under 29.40. I'm going to add a little bit here to this LB trade. 29.43. Under 29.40, I will add to the LB trade. If we get it. Watch it.
I'm still having some trouble, sorry.
If we get it to go here. If we get LB to go. Come on. Come on. Remember, adding under 29.40. Adding under 29.40. HRL hanging in there. Come on, LB. Come on, 9 cents to go. We'll be adding to the short 29.40. Under 29.40. 8 cents to go, 6 cents. 5. 29.40 drops, and I'm short more here if we get it here. 5 cents to go. 4 cents. 3 cents. 1 cent. Come on, break the 40. There we go. I've added to my trade. Let's break. Just broke for a moment there. Just broke for a moment. Come on, break to 29.40. On the 29.20, 29.25, I will cover some. LCE coming down. HRL, I am out of the trade on HRL with a loser. Hormel Foods, HRL. I held on there as long as I could with that trade. Now waiting on LB. LB is the only thing I am in right now. Okay, holding on to LB. Wait, HRL moving higher now. Interesting. So tempted on this PLCE. It's all over the place here. Watching that stock as well. Also in LB to the short side right now. WSM taking off here. Come on, 6 cents to go, 2 cents to go, 1 cent to go. Come on, LB. Break down again here. Break down. I want a bigger move down on LB. Yep, Bubba Dish style breaking through 184. Come on, LB. 2 cents to go. Show your colors here. Okay, still okay on the trade. Again, needs to break down through 29.40. HRL off to the races just about. Here we go. Come on, break 29.40. All will be forgiven. All will be forgiven here. About a 6 cent spread. Cisco taking off. Okay, traders, SNPS over 100. SNPS long over 100.
Okay, guys, I just got this problem fixed. I did join LB, however, a little bit lower than I expected. Just hope it's going to come down. And if you're watching HRL, we should wait for it to come down. It looks promising. Anything else I should be watching, traders? Something interesting? Baba? I'll take a look.
Yeah, HRL still up at the top here.
85, Scott? Let's go long Baba over 180.
Yep, it's coming up on it.
Baba's looking good over 185.
Come on, LB. Come on.
Here comes LB, Scott.
Beautiful.
Watch Baba over 185. LB
LB is going to be a great trade.
At the 29.10 area. Watch Baba over the highs. Come on, LB. Watch Baba. Baba's getting close.
Traders, watch this SNPS now too. SNPS long over 100.
Baba's getting close. Watch Baba. Baba touched the highs and bounced.
185 going to be my entry on Bubba.
For partial in LB. Touched my target really at 29.13, but I did not get the chance to take a partial in LB. It's getting close again. Watch it. I want to see it under the 10 or so for partial. Baba. I'm long Baba.
Also long Bubba. Come on, baby. Climb. Here we go.
LB at my target again. Any pullback now, I'll take my partial. Like if it moves over 25. Good, LB. Come down, come down. I don't want to see it over 25 now. Come on, LB. Come on, LB.
Boy, what a great move.
Baba's moving. Baba's moving. I'm selling some in Baba. Sold some in Baba. Nice 50 cents in Baba. LB at my target. Any pullback now over 18, over 29.18. Any pullback over 29.18. Baba continues. Took my partial in LB. Baba's going. You have 60 cents. About to sell some more. 70 cents. Selling some. We have just 100 shares in Baba. LB is holding
now.
Near the lows, looking good.
Traders, watch the entry here on SNPS.
Want to see LB moving to a new low.
Watch SNPS entry 100 if we get it. Come on, LB. Take out 29 now. Here's 100 on SNPS. Waiting. Waiting. Still no entry, SNPS. Comes HRL back down.
Want to see Baba moving to a new low in order to reduce some more. We've got almost a point in Baba now.
Baba looking great. Come on, 186.
Did you mention HRL? I didn't notice, Scott.
Yeah, HRL coming down. Still not in the trade yet.
Did you post it anywhere?
I posted it earlier this morning.
You interested in specific?
Yep, under 36.50, but that's probably take it. What do you think? 37.20, Mayor, or 37?
I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking more like 37.15.
Okay. I'll post that 37.15 short HRL. I'll take this trade with Mayor.
Yeah, I'm going to short HRL under 37.15.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a high risk trade, guys. It's HRL is trending higher. It is down 3%, so that's the plus side. And I like the fact that it just bounced up a little bit, as you can see the green candle right now.
Watch bump
Here comes a new low in LB.
186 on.
We're gonna have some issues with the whole number here. LB is coming down to the $29, so if we're gonna be lucky, it's gonna come down under 29. Baba's moving up.
Come on.
Almost $1 now.
There's 186.
Touching
Come on.
$1 sign.
Come on.
Go on, Baba, go on. HRL bounces great, because if it's going to come down now, that means it's maybe changing direction. If you're interested in interesting long, you should be taking a look at LX traders. LX over 14 possibly. Let's go long LX over 14. I just posted it. Be careful with the stop loss. It's a bit spready too. It's minimum 50 cents or so, maybe less, maybe 30, maybe 40, I'm not sure. Watch it over 14. I'm about to go long. LX. I'm going long now. I'm long, LX.
Beautiful move now on Bubba.
We have a new low in LB, finally moved down under the $29 whole number. Wow. I'm getting ready to cover some more. I was supposed to cover some more once it moved under 29, but I was busy here with LX. Bubba still holding high. LX bounced a bit, moved up by 5 cents and bounced.
Traders, I am long SNPS. SNPS.
Market's moving up very strong. If you're watching the Nasdaq, we closed the gap and continued up. Nasdaq up 0.36 right now. S&P just turned green. Just turned green. S&P closed the gap too. Bubba's moving to a new high. And I think it's safe to say that we are having fun today.
Yeah, great morning here. Traders, SNPS. First partial is going to be 150 cents. Coming up on it right now, 150 cents. HRL, no trade now, breaking out at the top. Bubba looking great.
Bubba moving to a new high. Almost 1.5 point now.
Traders, this is
holding to the lows.
What a great trade on Bubba. Here you go, traders.
Here comes the money.
Have to wait for a pullback in LX. Has done anything wrong. Still looking good. LB bounced. I was supposed to cover some more. I did not.
Watch Bubba on the breakout now at the high.
Still looking good.
SNPS.
HRL is continuing its uptrend. So no trade there. Zeo, Ali Hassan, I'll take a look at Zeo.
Okay, Bubba's pulling down now a little bit.
Zeo is interesting. It's down 4%. Daily's looking good. I'm still thinking about this Zeo thing. I'm not sure. I mean, the entry point should probably be under 36. Not much difference, really.
10 cents to go, SNPS traders. SNPS, 10 cents to go.
Okay, Upper Zeo. Under 35.90. It's going to be small size. Market still moving up, very strong. Yeah, I'm watching HRL. But I don't think 37.50 shows you anything, Jinky. I think 37.50 is still uptrending. I want to see it under the recent low or very close to that. So maybe 37.25, maybe, or short. just to make sure it's coming down. I don't like what Alex is doing now, but I'll wait for a pullback because I think this stock is going to continue uptrending. Wow, look at the market.
Yeah. Wow, big move. You know, we were directionless this morning as we started, and now we've got good direction to the upside here.
Short Zale. Guys, I'm short Zale. Zale needs to prove to me that really quick that it's coming down. Otherwise, I don't want to stay there. It looks good. I like the formation of Zale, but I need some proof. Like the momentum. Watching HRL2. Which will be shorted under 37.25 HRL. And if you're watching HRL right now, it's uptrending. So I'm looking for a failure, and this may be 37.25. So far, it's uptrending. It's more likely to continue uptrending. But the fact is, the stock is down 2.6%. Therefore, good chance for it to reverse sometime. LB is looking good for a new low. Could add under 29 if you're interested in this one. Need Zero to make the move here. Zero stop is going to be anywhere between 20 to 25 cents. That should be my target too. If you want to add to LB under 29, you can do that.
Traders, SNPS still looking great here towards the top now, waiting for 101. I will come out in about 10 cents here, right before 101. I have not gotten into the PLCE trade now, David. I wish I was short this stock.
LX stop is going to be under 13.50. It's quite clear now that that should be the stop. Market bounced a bit. Zayo made a nice initial move. I'm looking for continuation.
LB sitting at the lows now too.
Zayo's target should be somewhere at the 60s. LX is bouncing, looking good. Again, LB is coming down again. If you want to add a bit under 29, you can do that. It's a very small size if you do. I'm going to add just very small size, under 29. LB is close. Market bounce from the highs. LX is moving up again. LB back to the whole number, 29. Added, small size, very small size. Just move to a new low, good sign. I need another 10 cents or so in Zayo for a partial. You could add in LX, but tell you what, it really didn't do what I expected it to do originally. So it's trending higher, that's nice, but I don't trust it that much. I'm watching it and I'm a bit suspicious here about its intentions. Really I am. Although it came back almost all the way, but I wouldn't trust it that much. In fact, I'm thinking that if it moves under 68 or so, I should probably move out. Still looking good. Trending higher, hasn't done anything wrong. Stock's up 24%. If you're watching HRL, it may be failing here. Watch HRL. If it moves under 37.25, I'm going to short it. HRL is getting close. Stock's down 3%. It's very likely to fail today. The only question, of course, always, as always is the timing. It's very likely to come down, but you never know the timing. And so far, it is uptrending. But I think once it moves under 25, it's very, very likely to come down. Zayo bounced. LB, new low, good. Relax is holding. Somewhere near the 75, I would like to take my partial on the quantity I added in LB. 28.75 or so. JRL is not breaking down.
No, it's not. Whereas I have taken my partial on SNPS. Nice trade. Nice 80-cent trade on SNPS. Bubba's pulling down.
Market bounce from the highs. Alex is holding. HRL may be failing here. New low in LB. Very close to my target. 4 cents away. 2 cents away. Come on, LB. You can do it.
Here we go. Come on.
Touched my target and bounced.
Nice.
I'm watching LX and I don't know if I should trust it. Zayo's looking good. Can I keep to my original stop under 13.50? Here comes Zayo. Few more cents in Zayo. Wanted to see it near the 65 area.
It looks like SNPS wants to continue that high. 101.25 would be a new high. Come on, LB.
Hit my target, 0. Trying to get a few more cents. LB also very close to my target, touching it again. Hit my target now, LB, getting ready to cover some more. Trying to get a bit more. And it does move. Now, took my second partial in LB. Zayo is at my target. I'm getting ready to cover. If it moves over 65, excuse me, cent over 65, I'm going to cover. Whoa, Alex, I didn't like what I saw in Alex now. Any pullback now in Zayo over 65. Nice. I want to see Zayo moving a cent over 65. As long as it doesn't, I'll keep on tracking it lower.
LB at the lows now.
Took my partial in Zayo, very small window, but okay.
There's SNPS at the high. If you're still holding on to this stock, congratulations. Very nice. Took the partial, and we are starting to run now. SNPS.
Yeah, I'm still in Alex, absolutely. I'm still in Alex. Stop still remains under 1350. Technical formation, apparently it shows like it should continue higher, but it has relaxed here. Yeah, I think it's safe to say that HRL will not go our way. CGC, let me see. CGC is looking great over 41. Stocks up 1.7%, daily looks great. It looks fine over 41. I'm going to put my Zayo stop over 36 now. There's a hard stop now because you can't watch it all the time. And keep on watching LX. Good. WSN, let's see. Very nice over the highs. If it moves over the highs, it looks very nice, WSN. I love the daily too. Stock up 10%. You need to see it moving over the highs first. MU, let's take a look at that. No, I wouldn't short it. I agree that it's more likely to move down because it's down 0.6%, but it's not really trending lower. It may change direction here and starts trending lower, but I wouldn't do anything about it. I don't think so.
SNPS continuing. Trader's going to stick with the trade.
MDT is very nice. It's uptrending. I don't see too much. CTL. not a big move. You see these numbers here? These are 5 cents each. Not interesting. Very uninteresting. CTL. I don't like this spike in LX now. Don't know what's going on there. Stop remains under 30.50. Still holding. Tesla. Tesla's trending lower. Talk to me when it's coming down. I'm more interested to see Tesla short.
I think we're going to be saying a lot of that in the months to come. Tesla short.
Yeah. We should. Okay, Hertz. Let's see Hertz. Tesla is looking good for long. I can't ignore that. It looks really good for long. HTZ looks nice under 20, but again, not a big mover. It's okay. It's nice. Stock's down 6%. It should probably continue, but I don't think it's very interesting. TSO. No volume in TSO. Not interesting. FNSR. Did you long FNSR? Netflix. Take a look at Netflix. Netflix just all over the place. All over the place. Down, gap up, down, move to high, new low. It's all over the place. I mean, if you judge upon the last, 20 minutes or so, it's probably going to continue lower and with quite a big momentum. But stock up 0.7%, probably shouldn't do anything about it. Yeah, I'm still long Baba, and only 100 shares left, and I think it's a good time to talk about a stop, which is going to be just under 184. I'm actually going to use a hard stop here. Failed a bit. LB is moving to a new low. Nice. Don't forget LX. Don't let it move under 1350. PSTG got to one. Let's see. Just moved to a new high. It's not a big move, as you can see here. These are 10 cents moves. I like the daily. Daily looks very strong. Usually, when you see daily like that, it should continue higher. Stocks gapped up yesterday and kind of came down, but usually there should be some continuation. It should move higher based on the daily, of course. Twitter, let's take a look. Twitter's daily is looking good for a long. Intraday, nice. I don't see much. And also not a very big mover. If you can get 15 to 20 cents, that should be great. Not a good idea to mess around with this one. Roku is just going sideways. There's days where you see Roku moving higher so nicely with such a trend, with such momentum. This isn't one of those days. Wow, the daily looks amazing. Can I change what I just said? Well, sometimes based on the daily, when you watch a daily, you get a different perspective, and Roku's daily is looking amazing. So just betting on Roku moving possibly over this recent high, which is 60.65, but that's another 60 cents up. Question if today is going to be the day. Not very likely. But you know what? Let me know if you see Roku moving over 60.40. I would bet on a new high in Roku if it moves over 60.40, and then watching the daily looks amazing. Really wouldn't mind trading it down. looks fine.
Mm.
It's actually getting there. Oh, come on. I'm okay. Very, very small size. Roku over 60.50. If it moves now, I'm long. Very, very small size. I'm sorry I didn't have time to post it. It happened quite quick. It's usually when it happens as quick as that, it's a big dangerous trade. But you know, I'm watching the daily and it could do it. And it does. Oh, look at it move. That's the breakout on the daily, guys. That's what you're watching here. That's the move over the daily's high. That's it. Now, I don't know how long it's going to continue. Maybe we should have had the partial. I don't know what's going on. It moves again over 90. I'm going to take my partial over 1690. And watch LX. I may have a stop real soon there under 15. Wow, what a big move in Roku. That's a daily. When you watch a daily like that, that's what you see. That's the move you expect. That's why I liked it in the first place. Of course, that doesn't make it a winner so far, but still is very nice. Pulled up very strong, and now we could go for a pullback. Theoretically, I could have taken my partial at the highs because it moved all the way to 1690, but that was just theoretically. Okay, I'm out of LX. I have a loser. My first loser today is LX. Now, if Roku moves over the highs now, it's probably going to continue, but just be sure that once it stops, you take your partial. So let's first hope it's going to move over 1690. Then it's going to trigger a lot of stop orders over 1690. Then probably move over 61. And once it moves over 61, somewhere at 6110, that should be your partial point. So watch Roku if it moves over the highs. A lot of short orders will be closed there. It's getting close. Just hope it's going to move over the highs, 1690. And then it's going to make another big move. There we go. Now it should move over 61.2. I was expecting to see something faster than that. But I did not. Let's take a 30-cent partial here. Didn't take. Bounced a few cents down and I didn't take. So I'm still waiting a bit. Move to a new high at 94. Maybe we can get a new high now. Come on. Come on. New high.
Nice. Keep going.
New high. Still has it. Still has it. Close to a new high. Come on.
Wow, look at EXAS just motoring higher here.
Pull down a little bit, Roku. Watch out for a pullback. Holding near the highs. It's going to make a decision soon. Whether it's going to be over the highs or a pullback, I don't know. But the decision will come soon. Likely to move over the highs, but very hard to say. Come on. Come on. Come on. At the highs. You get moved up by 1 cent. At the highs again. Don't see much. Trying to move over the highs again. Did. Now we have an issue with $61. That's a whole number. Look at the number of sellers at 61. Look at the number of sellers at 61. I'm about to take my partial here because I'm a little bit concerned of the 61. I'm waiting a few more seconds here. I mean, we could go over, but more likely we're going to have a bounce here. Here comes a 61. Come on, come on, come on. Let's try. Yes, we did. Stock moving over a whole number like that usually stops at 61.15 for some reason. I'm taking my partial here. Okay, turned out to be a nice trade. ACIA. Let's see, ACIA. Wow, that was a nice breakout over 41. You probably posted it before. That was very nice. I mean, you could take it on the pullback, but you see, the problem with ACIA now is that it has a 10-cent spread. Volume is not that much. It looks very, very nice. It looks very, very nice. Guys, because I think that's a good educational point here, which should be remembered. When I took a look at Roku, first look, I said, I'm not interested. I don't see much. Stock's just moving sideways. I don't see anything interesting. Just didn't see anything interesting. Of course, I couldn't expect this quick upside move that happened here. Then I clicked the daily button and I saw that. And once I saw that the highs here was 60.65, that high over here, and that we were very, very close. And as you can see, we touched the area of the high yesterday and the day before that. I could expect that once we move over the area of 60.40, we should probably move to a new high. So the highs was here, 60.45. 60.40 would give me a point where I anticipate that once we go through this, we're probably going to move over the highs. So then came this very quick green candle. Look at the volume here, which, I mean, looking at the daily, you could hope for it, but couldn't be expected. I just thought it's gradually going to move up, and once it moves over 60.40, I'll have time to buy it. But then it came a little bit faster than that. But anyway, we had plenty of time to go long. So this upside move that you're seeing here, with that volume, the only way you can explain that is once you look at the daily and you see how it just recently moved over the recent high. Now, Roku is a stock that a lot of people are watching, and that means that they're seeing the same thing that we're seeing. They're seeing the nice consolidation here near the highs. They're seeing yesterday and the day before that not making it over the recent high. And then Buyers are getting more and more aggressive. Stocks moving up slowly. We are having an up day, so S&P is moving up. That helps, of course. Stocks up over 2% right now. Probably was over 1%. And that also means that a lot of people are watching it. When stocks gapping up more than 1%, it comes on the screeners of a lot of people. So there's a lot of people who are watching Roku, just like we do, and watch the intraday, maybe not getting really excited. And then they watch the daily and they say, wow, we've got something interesting going on here. And then they anticipate the new high. Actually, they anticipated it before me. You see, they bought here. That was the real breakout. And they were probably right. Me thinking that that should be the entry, I was wrong. That was the entry. So anyway, a lot of people participated. Once a lot of people are participating in a trade like that, that's it. You just, trading is technical analysis, just self-fulfilling prophecy. That's it. Because I'm having a nice day today. Out of Baba. I didn't trade a lot of size today. The recent 2 days I've been down. So I'm glad to say I'm going to finish this week slightly in green territory. But yesterday I was just touching a red weekly point. So I'm having a nice day with small quantities, relatively small quantities today. So Baba's up $1,100, LB's up $1,200. Small loser in LX, very small winner in Roku and in Zayo. And I'm going to finish my day just over $2,000. That's nice for me. Just moved to green territory for the week, and it's important for me to be in green territory because that would be my last trading day for the week. I'm out for the weekend starting tomorrow, taking the wife to visit some lake somewhere in the north of Germany, having the weekend somewhere in the woods, and that's it for me. How are you doing today? Are you up, down? How much would you share? YouTube traders too. Would love to see that. Let me see how you're doing. Up 300, up 2100. Good job, JC. Up 650, $1,000, 3 trades, 1 bet trade, Brendan. Up 780, up 50, 80, 500, light green, $200 up, 403, down 60, up 1500. Yeah, up 28, great. Down 650, Jonathan, sorry for that. Green, well, we've got the vast majority of you guys in green. James done 6666. Nice number, James. Any meaning to the 6666? Did I miss anything? Up 1,250, 118, down $41. YouTube traders also watching the numbers here, which are nice. Up 99, $2,000 in LB. Good job. 111, $874, down 800, Alexander, because of Tesla. Did you try short Tesla, Alexander? That's not a day to short Tesla, I guess. Well, we've got the vast majority of you guys in green territory. That's lovely. Love to see that. Really love to see that. Okay, traders, I just wish you a great weekend because, again, I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I enjoyed my day today. I traded smaller size today, and the reason I did that is because I had 2 consecutive losing days. And once I get to the point where I have 2 consecutive losing days, there's no way I'm going to continue trading the same quantity. I'm dropping my size because I am trying, to get back to feeling okay with myself. Mentally, that's a very important thing to be green for the day. And it doesn't really matter how much, because, if I'm green $100, that's just zeros. I could add zeros if I'm good enough. And that's just trading more size, but not after 2 consecutive losing days. And I just had 2 consecutive losing days. It's quite rare. I don't usually have that, but it happened. This week, it happened. I'll be finishing my week in green territory, but I needed to lower just, to get back into business. For me to finish up this day up $500 or $1,000, which is relatively low for me, that would have been perfect. The fact I'm finishing up over 2 grand is even nicer. Market just moving to a new high right now. We're pushing higher. So you see, it's just about feeling good about myself, going to the weekend with feeling nice, and just that's it. Just getting back to green. That's what's important. So if it happens to you, if you have a few consecutive red days, I would highly suggest just move to green. Doesn't matter if you trade 10 stocks at a time. Just come down from 200 stocks per trade to 20 stocks per trade. It doesn't matter. Ignore the commission. Just be green. Be green for the day. You get back your confidence. You come back the next day as new. So it's just about, trading is all about your mental health, discipline. Discipline made me trade smaller size today. Mental health, I did not come with the best in a good situation for today because I was losing for 2 consecutive days. So I need to get back to business, and that happened today. So a very small green week for me, but green is good. Traders, I'll see you all next week. Thank you very much for being here with me today. I'm so happy to see so many people are making money today. Really makes me feel great. So just have fun, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.
Mayor, take care. Have a great weekend. Enjoyed the trading this morning. Awesome. Really, really good. And traders, don't forget, if you want to be in the room with us live here and take advantage, we've got just today left, okay? Just today left of the summer program and the discounted program. So if you want to make that happen and you want to join us, trade on the same platform that Mayor and I are trading on and the rest of the traders, you got the opportunity to do it right here. We've got the summer sale happening right now. And that goes through today. Got about almost 30 packages left now. Student, expert, and professional right now. So you can pick one of those. The student and the expert and the pro have all of the training that go along with them, and the intro program designed to get you started into trading. So again, all of these, if you follow the link here in the room, those of you on YouTube and on social media, you can also follow the link. The summer sale going on now, ending today. So make the decision to come in and join us. Great day by Mayor today, and also I've had an awesome day so far, and just up about 1657 with one loss in here. And we'll continue to roll forward here. Really nice day by Mayor. I think, what was Mayor's biggest win? Was it Bubba this morning, B-A-B-A? If I'm not mistaken, I didn't see when he posted here this morning. Mm-hmm. Okay, yep. All right, so I've got these on here, and I'm going to be looking for some additional trades here. LX looking good up the ladder here. Could break out of that 14, 1405. Watching LX right now. All right. PLCE, I'm confused about PLC. Started high, came down, tested the yesterday's low of day or yesterday's close, moved higher, then right back down here. I would probably just stay away for right now. And I'll take a look at Yeah, I don't know on the SQ trade. LB down at the bottom here. Let me take one more look at SQ. I mean, I think over 78, we could probably take this long here. Volume's dying out just a little bit on the trade. These markers right here, 78.01 and 78.03. So it's going to have to get through 78 to take a trade here. Just an hour into the day, traders. We've got plenty of time left right now. Yeah, I would take HRL if it gets down. Somebody asked me that just a moment ago, 37.50. I'm okay with that. Okay, waiting here. Let me try to get this SQ starting to move here. Still not convinced that it's going to take off just because of the volume. I do like LX going higher here. SNPS still at the high. HRL, if it does fail, sure, I'll take this trade 37.50, but it is on a nice uptrend here. Probably just pausing right now. And I think it probably goes higher. Vitaly, you take care of yourself. Have a great afternoon. SQ failed here at the top, now coming back down. HRL just going sideways. Don't trust the trade right now. Let's take a look at Bubba. I think Bubba over the 184 mark, if it bounces back up, I'm going to post this. I've been watching it here this morning. But I'll go ahead and post this trade. This is going to be a Bubba long trade. BABA long over 184. And let me get the level 2 in here. Okay, here we go. Okay, watch it here. 184 entry. Okay, nothing yet. Now, HRL just going sideways now. Bubba, no trade right now. We'll move this level 2 over to the left here just a little bit. NEM, let's take a look at NEM. All right, we'll put it right here, NEM. Oh yeah, looks good. Well, what's the low candle? You've got a spike candle down here at the bottom, 31.78. 31.78, that's where you take it short. Okay. SQ coming down. Interesting little pullback here now. Look at Bubba racing down now. Racing down. Okay, going to take some Bubba 182 now. 182 to the upside. BA, long 182. Yeah, SPY not looking too hot right now. Pulling down. See if it gets over 182. I'm going to take a few shares here. I'll take small share size and then I can always add to it. Traders, I will be right back. Just give me one moment. I don't think the market's going to crash. I mean, I think, you know, when I'm looking here at the SPYs come down. I mean, take a look at this right here. Take a look at Bubba. You know, I mean, Bubba's come down too with the SPY. Got your HRL. If you're into that trade, I did not take that trade. I'm watching that roll down. I'm watching Bubba roll down. Mm-hmm. I think, Bubba, you could still take over 182, just depending on if the market bounces here. The market's coming up, as you can see, on the SPY. Look at the SPY right here. The market, if it bounces off of this 286.50, perhaps Bubba will bounce as well. Bubba could be a nice trade over 182. That's if we get the bounce. SPY now right at the VWAP. Let's see if it continues or if it's going to fail now. SPY just blew through there. Watch out. Watch out, traders. Bubba's starting to really tank now. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know if there's anything. You know, it could break 37. That's where, if you're already in the trade, that's where you'd add. I don't know. It looks pretty strong though. Looks real strong. Bubba's still down. SPY pointing down. HRL coming down. HRL could take out 37 now. Looking like it. Look at Bubba go. Wow. That is unbelievable. I mean, all that work that it put in this morning, and it is just blown up now on Bubba. Wow. I don't see anything here. I'm watching I've got the television on. I don't see anything happening as we speak. Good for you, James. Way to go. I don't know if HRL takes out 37, game changer, I think. Little bit, firming up just a little bit on Bubba now. I don't think so. I think I'm going to stay away from it. I really do. Yep, really do. I don't think there's any reason to get involved in it right now. Okay, traders. Interesting enough. Now you're looking at the overall markets as we speak. Dow's down about 17. S&P up 2. Nasdaq up 18. Now here comes Bubba on the way back up. Probably just still stay away from it here. HRL could get interesting under 37. I think I will take this trade here. HRL short under 37. I'll post it here in the room. This is going to be an HRL short under 37. Nickel to go. 3 cents to go. 2 cents, a penny. See what it does here at 37. See if 37 gets chewed up. I'm short the stock. Looking for about 30 cents down to 70 area. Come on, HRL back to 37. Boy, Bubba fell now all the way back down to yesterday's close. Well, we're sitting at 37 here. Let's see. See what we get here. Bubba just punctured yesterday's close. Doesn't look good. Wow, look at Bubba go. What is up with that? I don't see anything happening. I don't know any, I don't see any news on it right now. Nothing. Yeah, 37.25 HRL, I'll be out of the trade. Not going to risk a whole lot here. Boy, Bubba is just getting cremated here. And I'm out of the trade here. Now I'm going to hold on for just a second here. 25. Okay, I'm out of the trade now on HRL. Small loss. Keep it to a minimum. I don't know on Bubba. I mean, you have that feeling like the stock is going to start to move higher here, and then every time it does, it starts to get crushed. Better to just stay away here. SQ is pulled down. Looking for a great play now. SPY continuing to fall. Bubba trying again, but not much. SPY balancing on yesterday's close. That's probably a good sign if the market wants to move higher here now. No, I think on Bubba probably recover to at least yesterday's close at 177.85 and then decision time there. Bubba pulls down. Watch out below. We break through that 174 again. Nice, Brandon. Nice. SPY's pulled down now. SPY underneath yesterday's close and going lower.